this going around this means earth going around the sun. This is 1 year. This whole structure, all the planets, stars, everything which you see, this whole thing is called Bhauma, Bhumandala. This going full round of its center, when it goes round on full round, it will go round the earth also one round. I mean, if you understand, that is one kalpa. So there are 14, like a Bhumandala, there are 14 mandalas, 11 dimension. The discussion was, what is that spindle principle? Listen carefully. I know it little going above your head, but very important. Understanding this will solve your day-to-day issue. Understand? Even your day-to-day issue should be solved from the highest principle, that is spirituality. See, you can keep quiet when your husband is screaming, when your wife is screaming, just with the mood, oh, let us not agitate it, let us not lose the today. If you keep quiet in that way, that is not spiritual practice, that is fear. But if you keep quiet with understanding, it is irrelevant, that is spirituality. So the context for every decision you take need to be set with the principle with which the 14 universes spindle. Please understand. The whole 14 universe and 11 dimensions spindle on one principle. This principle is a spindle. That principle is oneness. Listen. The principle, for example, if you are living in American way, when you come to an Indian village, you will feel little cultural shock. If you are living in an Indian village, when you go to Europe, you may have a cultural shock. What is the principle which will not give you cultural shock even if you go to any of these 14 mandalas? All of you are catching what I am saying? That principle I am teaching you. Please understand. This principle, understood, practiced, will make you feel homely in any of these 14 mandala. Because all these 14 mandalas function on this one principle of oneness. Oneness is the basic principle. If you practice, when you die, you will not feel shocked to the new place where you are going, because you know what is practiced there. You are already prepared for it. Please understand. As simple as you did not have your breakfast the way you wanted, that's a very simple problem, or sometimes silly problem. Your bucket is missing in your bathroom. From this silly problem to the most complicated problems of your life, not knowing what will happen after death, everything should be handled from the context of the highest principle, by practicing which you will not have cultural shock when you go through any transition between these 14 universes, 11 dimensions. Understand? Preparing you for a smooth, happy transition for any of these dimensions or any of these universes is spirituality. You see, issue of not having enough money as you want, this can be dealt in a consoling way. This is the way world is unjust. You can console yourself and keep quiet in that way also. Or some other justification, oh God did not give. You can console yourself from that also. But precise truth and complete understanding of the principle, what is happening in you and outside you, and the relationship, its action reaction principles, only if that is cleared, you will be in the space of restful awareness, completion. Am I right? How many of you understand what I am saying? Any issue, how you handle is secondary. The context is very important for you to be complete. I am trying to set the context from which you should approach everything in your life. Whether you have the problem of physical health or mental health or tiredness or boredom or addicted to smoking or constantly irritated or poverty or not knowing what is the future, not knowing what is there for your life, not having enough of energy, intelligence to live, whatever difficulty, incompletion you may face in your life, the principle with which you solve should be so powerful that should be applied in all 14 universes. So any transition happens in your life any time, you will not have cultural shock. I am teaching you the currency which works in all 14 universes. Understand? That principal currency which works in all 14 universes, which will not give you any shock, which will not give you any cultural shock, spiritual, you will not feel new if you suddenly enter into Kailasa. You will not feel anything new if you suddenly enter into Tapoloka, Bhuloka, Bhur, Bhuvasva, Tapa, Satya, any loka, any Brahmanda, any universe. If you enter into, you will not feel something new. That principle is oneness. Today I am going to help you precisely pinpoint when you lost the oneness first time and how to get that currency back to your life. Listen. This word you can understand very clearly. You know Malaysian currency works in Malaysia, Indian currency works in India, American dollar works in America, Canadian currency works in Canada. The common currency for the planet Earth is gold. That works anywhere in any country. Am I right? Gold is the common currency, works anywhere in the planet Earth. Same way, there is a common currency for all the 14 universe, that is oneness. When you lost that, how to install that back to you? Oneness was your spindle. You understand the meaning of the spindle? Spindle is the center on which everything rotates. Spindle in Sanskrit we call standila, center on which everything rotates. Where we put fire for Homa is called standila. That's a center where all gods come and receive their, whatever is offered to them, and they take it. For any transition you will have after your death, the so-called death, when your body stops functioning, when your mind stops functioning, the transition you will have. I am preparing you for the transition. If you function out of this oneness principle now itself, even if you get headache, hey, I am the cosmic oneness, how can I have headache. I am Sadashiva, how can I have headache? If you conquer your headache from the space of Sadashivoham, not only you will conquer the headache, you will build the currency in you which will be useful for you when you leave the body, when you don't have this head. You can solve your headache with 10 ways by giving it to others. One, by applying some medicine. One, or even you may observe where the pain is, headache will disappear. Or there are thousands of ways to get rid of headache. But if you get rid from the context of oneness, every solution you find, means every problem you solve in your life, not only gets solved, something else grows in you which becomes a permanent asset for your whole transition into any universe. Listen. It is like when you work and run your life itself, the fixed deposit for the future transition is built. All of you are able to catch it? This principle will get you out of matrix. Of course, I'll go on elaborating what is the cosmic oneness and what exactly it means, how it results in your life. For example, you and your daughter have an incompletion. It can be solved, my daughter, let me put up. That way also it can be solved. Or, my oneness, she's extension of my oneness. Me, in this body, how I function, how I think. If the same me, if I am in her body, how I will think and how I will function, it is me, my own two ends. Let me understand, and with this understanding, if you bring completion, not only you will be complete with your daughter, you will build a currency which will be useful for you when you have a transition. Any planet, any Brahmanda you go and you have a daughter, you will not have a problem with her. Listen, solving it is not enough. Solving it with the context of the cosmic principle is spirituality. There are tons of people teaching you self-development, how to stop worrying, start living. He wrote a 2 big book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, How to Stop Worrying, Start Living. Any of you have read that? Do you know, next to Bible, his books are the largest printed. He is the number 2, literally a prophet. Number 3 is the Scientology founder. Number 2 in the world. Top 2 books he wrote. Please Google his life in Wikipedia. He committed suicide because of his he is not able to settle with his wife. How to Win Friends and Influence People is all about how to be in tune with your wife. How to Stop Worrying and Start Living is all about stopping the suicidal tendency. But the fellow committed suicide because he is not able to live with his wife. So understand, it means what? He did not solve the problems from the cosmic principle. He tries to solve with the temporary ideas which may be useful for few people. Surely what he wrote was useful for few people, but it's not cosmic principle based. If you don't get Ganga, don't drink drainage water. Wait for Ganga. Wait for Ganga, you will be saved. If you start drinking drainage water, you will never search for Ganga, and you may miss even the need and interest for Ganga. Solve even your ordinary 1 rupee problem from the cosmic principle. For example, when you go back to your hotel room and you call the welcome desk and they don't pick up the phone call and you feel the irritation. even that simple issue, or your coffee is not hot, even that simple issue, it can be as irritating as somebody getting personal without getting friendly. Even this issue, always go back to the oneness, cosmic oneness, Sadashivoham. From the space of Sadashivoham, how I can handle this, deal this. Understand? Building the cosmic currency is the purpose of human life. Build cosmic currency while you are in this body. Whether it is a simple issue, your coffee is not hot, or the most difficult issue, your wife got your cell phone password. So, it is any level problem. Let it be handled always from the cosmic oneness, and I tell you, it is possible. It is possible. There is nothing called impractical. From this oneness, all I need to do is help you to discover when first time you lost that oneness. For example, first time when you felt you exist as you, which you are feeling now, means first time when you felt thought current in you. It's called root pattern. When you started building individual identity. When you started building individual identity, a separate thought current, what you call as you, individual you. Listen first. It will usually be always before the age of 7. Anywhere between the age of 3 to 7. If it is before 3, it's dangerous. Usually for common human beings, it does not happen before 3. Before 3, if it happens, either you are an incarnation or a demon. Feel before 3, but not by birth. Incarnations feel from the birth. From the birth, they do not have unconsciousness and they do not feel individual identity. The first time when you remember your existence, incident, the earliest incident happened in your life. What happened? How you felt about you at that moment, and how you felt about others at that moment, and how you felt about life at that moment. Listen, inner image, outer image, life image, first time which you created makes you move away from the cosmic oneness. How many of you are understanding what I am saying? It's very important because you need to be thoroughly understanding. Only then you will decide to get back to the cosmic oneness, and your decision is all I need. I will put it and fix it. You just need to dump your vehicle in my garage. I will do the whole repairing. But leaving your vehicle in my garage is the decision you need to take. And you need to know that I need to fix it. I need to have access to it. Listen. First time when you felt about you, I wanted that incident to be remembered. Sit, close your eyes and try to contemplate. Few minutes. Then I'll answer your questions and make every one of you catch it. Please sit straight. Few minutes contemplate. When do you think you remember yourself first in this life? Earliest incident in your life. Earliest incident. If you keep your eyes closed, it will be easy for you. You will not be distracted. You will be able to contemplate.